Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can share me video. Remember ring to subscribe. Now I share. No me notification bell no. Send me the video be beto on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Nebesuan se beye assorted meat and dry fish palm nut soup. Me yes, I soup na me tasty and it tastes really nice. Let's start. Who the hot water begu palm fruit no. By nsuo na se edoso. Who we are no just so ama na eden ehu we beboa ama cooking time na eden. Aye short. Who the chop onion egumu. Now fresh tomatoes ni onion no so eden egumu. Na we just so. Emra abeni sisu no waba u protein no wo de chop onion eden ebegu beef season, salt to taste, all pepper season, all pepper vegetable season, blended pepper. Now the inso kakra eden egu one mixing it together. We another kwesi jar so ama na sima. Odo dry fish aka ho. O ho anu wa biesu no wanum se ni na be sima ye. Emre esisu no akohwe wo abe no so. Uwia no akohwe se wo fish nde be ye mre na wayi asinche. Aka krama enkwan na be na wo de ayeden atomo. Ohwe na entos ni jene na be a na wayi wakọ blende. Uwia no akohwe wa be na gu unam na esija asunu no. Sa method we we ya ema enkwan ne be intem. Blended tomatoes ni onion ni de egumu. Uwia no wa garnish with okro, garden egg and pepper. Na we just suku sistema bebe, but time bia wo ho na wa check de ahwe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aha no fish na udi si nche no na udi egum esan se akakra na nkwan na ede abin. Akakra ma na abin no wa lo jana na ato ne boy ede abin. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you are new to my channel. Aha no aye ready na watwe na wa serve. Unya ofufu na oda kan we de edi. If matches ne di kan a hwe me video a, remember ring subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. No we me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto a won sabeka. Me ye we na me taste and it tastes really nice. Now this is our palm nut soup. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.